The Kronshtadt Orion is a family of Russian unmanned aerial vehicles developed by the Kronstadt Group. There are several variants of the drone, both for Russia's domestic and export markets. Orion-E is a long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle intended for day and night aerial ISR missions in a wide range of climate zones. Russia's Orion drone, with air-to-air capabilities, is an advanced piece of military technology that has revolutionized the way aerial combat is conducted. With an impressive range of up to 250 kilometers, the drone offers pilots an unprecedented level of flexibility and control. In addition to its impressive range, the Orion-E also features a range of sensors and sophisticated targeting systems, giving it the ability to identify and track enemy aircraft with ease. Its advanced avionics allow it to maneuver and position itself in the most advantageous positions for combat operations. The Orion is also equipped with an impressive array of offensive and defensive capabilities. Its impressive array of missiles and bombs can be launched with devastating effect, while its powerful electronic countermeasures can be used to disrupt enemy communications and navigation systems. Furthermore, the drone's onboard automatic target recognition (ATR) system allows it to detect and identify targets quickly and accurately. With an impressive array of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, the Orion-E is a formidable force in the sky. The Orion is considered one of Russia's best strike drones. The Orion can carry laser-guided bombs and other precision weapons. These were described as still classified before an Orion was shown taking off with a weapon underneath, intentionally obscured. Regarding Orion's combat performance in Syria, Sergei Tyagay, deputy head of unmanned aviation within the Russian Aerospace Forces High Command, said, "Orion had shown itself to be not just successful, but survivable." The Orion also features a range of advanced navigational systems, allowing it to fly in any weather conditions. Its advanced flight control systems also allow it to maintain a stable and precise course, even in the face of strong winds and turbulence. Additionally, the drone's intelligent autopilot system can take over in the event of an emergency, allowing it to land safely and securely. The Orion features a turret with electro-optical and infrared cameras, as well as a laser target designator for launching guided munitions against ground targets. The footage shows a pilot in the ground control station using the drone's sensors to first identify the target before initiating a missile attack. The UAV is also capable of carrying out visual, radar, or radio-technical reconnaissance during missions in designated areas for an extended period of time. The Orion can operate for up to 24 hours. The drone's arsenal includes an adjustable aerial bombs, the APAD-50 guided gliding aerial bomb, and the guided missile. The Orion-E also incorporates cutting-edge communications and data systems, allowing it to quickly download information from its operators and transmit it to other aircraft or ground units. This allows it to maintain a constant stream of information, ensuring that its pilots are always aware of their surroundings and the enemy's movements. Additionally, the drone is equipped with an impressive array of cameras and imaging systems, giving pilots detailed images of their environment. Orion-E, according to Sergei Bogatikov, the head of the Kronstadt company, it could be controlled remotely across a 250-kilometer radio channel. Orion-E of air-to-air capability. The Orion-E is an advanced piece of military technology that has revolutionized the way aerial combat is conducted. With its impressive range, sensors, targeting systems and offensive and defensive capabilities, it is capable of carrying out a wide range of missions with ease and precision. Furthermore, its advanced navigational and communications systems give it the capability to monitor and control its environment with unparalleled accuracy. The ability to launch air-to-air missiles or dual-role weaponry capable of hitting targets both in the air and on the ground signifies that Russia intends to counter high-performance drones with its Orion. Undeniably, unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones, have changed the way wars are fought, which has prompted a high demand for drone technology among African countries and the rest of the world to tackle the threats posed to their security by insurgents and militant groups. Additionally, drones are also proving to be cost-effective tools for military and counter-insurgency operation, as well as peacekeeping and peacemaking missions, and are playing increasingly visible roles across Africa.